Hi, my name is Florante, and in today's video we're going to talk about the latest feature of Skype, and this is also with the latest version of Skype called Skype for Content Creators. If you haven't downloaded this version of Skype, then I would suggest that you go ahead and download. All you need to do is to go to this web address, skype.com/en/content-creators/. Right on the home page of that web address, you will see there download Skype. So you can just click on that one and install it on your computer. Now, I just wanted to make sure that we are on the same page. Alright, so for this particular tutorial, I am working on a Mac, but I will be creating another video that is intended for those who are on Windows 10. Once you have downloaded Skype for Content Creators, you just have to install that on your computer. Once you're installed, you just have to open it and log into your Skype account. So the Skype version should be, let's go ahead and check. You just have to click on the three dots right next to your profile name, and then click on Help and Feedback. Okay, so you will see here that we have Skype version 8.30.0.50. So this is the latest Skype version that will allow you to record your Skype calls. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and do a test call, and I'll just go ask my son to answer this call for us so I can demonstrate it for you.
Hello.
Okay, so we have Cyrus on the line. So what I'm going to do next is I'll just go ahead and demonstrate how to initiate the recording of the call. So on your screen, on your Skype screen, you just have to click on the Skype screen because sometimes it automatically hides. So you just have to click on your Skype screen. So you will see there are 4 icons at the bottom right. You just have to click on the rightmost, which is More Options. And under the More Options, there are 2. One is Hold Call and the other one is Start Recording. So obviously, just click on Start Recording. Now, once you click on Start Recording, you will see there that there is some sort of a switch that turns on the recording. And on the upper left corner of the screen, you will see there that there is a timer that's started, and there's also there a dialog that says stop recording. Now that is on my side of the screen, but on the other side, which is Cyrus' side, he will also see a notification that I am recording the call. You see that on your screen, Cyrus?
Yes.
Okay, so basically that's just how you record your calls using Skype for Content Creators. So no more fancy third-party software that you will need. You just have to click on that option and record it right away. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'll go ahead and end this call, and we will see the result of the call that we have made with Cyrus and using Skype's built-in call recorder. Thank you for your time, son. I'll go ahead and end the call now. Okay, so we have ended the call. So once you end the call, you will not automatically see the recording to appear on your screen. Now, just for your information, the Skype call recording is actually stored on the cloud. It's not local to you. But what you can do is to actually download the recording that was made. Alright, so let's go ahead and go back to my screen. Right, you will see now that on my screen on the Skype window that there is a recording, and it says recordings are available for 30 days. So it's available for 30 days for you to download or for you to retrieve. If you don't want to retrieve and just leave it there, you can also remove. But of course, for the purpose of this tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'll go ahead and click and save to downloads. Alright. But if you would like to choose the destination folder or the destination of this file, you can click on save as. So for this one, test, I'll just go ahead and save this to my desktop so it will be a lot easier to find. So I'll name this test recording using Skype content creator. And I'll go ahead and hit save. Now it's in MP4. Okay, we'll just have to wait for that one. So it's really that simple on how you can, record those calls that you have on Skype. And that is, for this particular tutorial, it's using Skype for Mac. Alright. Now what we're going to do now is we'll go ahead and access the recording and we'll check it out. You will see there that there is some sort of a switch that turns on the recording, and on the upper left corner of the screen you will see there that there is a timer that's started, and there's also there a dialog that says stop recording. Okay, so that is the sample test recording. You will notice that the quality of the video isn't really very good. So right now I'm not sure how the quality is affected by your internet bandwidth, or at the same time the quality of the camera that you are using for the call. Now for this call, I made use of an iPhone 8 Plus, and Cyrus made use of the built-in camera, the camera that's built into an iPad Air. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those questions in the comments. Again, I'm going to post another video for those who are making use of Windows-based computers. I'll be providing the next tutorial using a Windows 10 computer. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. And if you also would like to know how I made use of my iPhone as a webcam, that will also come in the next videos that I'm going to post. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to click on subscribe. And if you are on Facebook or on Twitter, you can always connect with me. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make it a great day.